What's up, guys? This is Andrew with Disney Stuff, and today I got a package from Disney Movie Rewards. And I wanted to open it up for you guys. So, there's a 99-cent movie thing that you can send to them and get the movies you want. They're promoting the Star Wars movie, the new movies, and the old ones. Alright, now time for what I got. I got this Tomorrowland pin. Yeah, so you open up the package, and it's like from in the movie. So here it is, a lot clearer. I'm gonna take it off of back. There it is. And here's the back of it. 2015, made in China. And there's this cool backing that goes with it. It has one of these clamp backs. But hey, I don't know. I am going to be adding this to my collection. Now, if you guys want to see my collection, I have several videos up of me unboxing. And I do have more to come, too. So I'm planning on getting more. The next time I go to the Disney store, one of my buddies is picking me up some more. I counted my pins the other day, and including this one, I have 193 pins. That's pretty good for a 14-year-old boy. So, Tomorrowland, let's see if there's anything back. Imagine as a place where nothing is impossible. Disney Tomorrowland. Now that's a good saying. Right there by Disney. Alright, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like. I do read the comments. If you want me to get more of these Tomorrowland pins, I guess I could, but I don't know if they're all the same. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a magical day, and subscribe. Thanks.